everyone. So today we're actually going to create a Telegram bot automation. This is going to be really cool. So actually let me show you all the steps. I'll move my face here. So first step is so we will connect our Telegram bot with Make, and it will watch for Telegram triggers. For example, I wrote hello, okay, and then when I write hello, that's a trigger for make.com. So then it takes that, creates a AI generated response, sends back the AI reply to the Telegram user. It sounds really cool and it's also really fun. Let's start right away. Okay, first, you don't know, we're going to make.com. Okay, and here let me just move my face here, and please sign in or create a new account. So if you don't have an account, just go ahead and create an account. If you don't have an account, just go ahead, create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in with Google. Guys, I have signed up and I created a new scenario. Okay, now it's really simple from here. As you can see, there's a big plus button. I know I've done a lot of basically N10 tutorials. Between N10 and make.com, the big one is N10 has some tools which make.com doesn't have, and make.com has some which N10 doesn't have. Second one is make.com's modules are really big by default. So if I just do auto align, which means this is the default how it looks. So go ahead and add Telegram, and let me show you how big it will be. So guys, as we're selecting this, I need you to know that which is the trigger. Okay, so come down and keep going down and come to this one, watch updates. Triggers when there is a new update from your Telegram desktop application. So you need to download Telegram desktop for this, as it's saying. So guys, come here and head to bot father. Okay, so here you go and search bot father. Once you search it, you go and press /start. Okay, create /new bot, and there will be a few more steps which you'll need to follow. It will give you an HTTPS API token. Okay, just keep that and secure it. Now back to Telegram. Okay, click on add. Once you click on add again, and name your Telegram bot connection something, and that token which you got, make sure to copy that and paste it over here. Once you paste it, click on save, and you're good to go. Okay, I have my Telegram bot collection done here, so it is pretty easy. Once you have done that, you can come back. Okay, and if you had any doubts during this progress or any errors, please go and check this out, the online help docs. Let's go back. Once you have this setup, also make sure that your Telegram is installed. Now the second step, create an AI reply. This is going to be one of the best steps over here. Easy, simple, and also this is going to be the main skeleton, so make sure you're following over here. So go and create a OpenRouter connection. Just click on add and put your API key in. You can get an API key at OpenRouter. So let's go to OpenRouter, openrouter.ai, and then go to this keys over here. So let me show. I've come back here. Let's go and click on a new item. Okay, go to content. Now it's really important what content you bring into your AI agent here. But before that, you go to role, select user. Okay, now let's go here. So you need to create a prompt that your AI will understand that who am I, what I need to do, and yeah, it just needs those from you. So let's type, you are a let's remove this, helpful assistant. Reply to this person give these quotation marks as I am giving because you need them. also his query. Okay, again give those quotation marks. Press space here, press space here. Actually, you don't need to give a space, just remove them. And now you need to open your Telegram bot, and it'll be good if you actually all test this. So go to run once. Also, let's disconnect this because we have not made this fully. So now go to Telegram bot and just click this. Go to your head here. So open your bot. So you have given your bot a name, okay? So you have to go and search for that, and then you have to click /start. Once you have done that, go ahead here and write hi. Let's go back. Boom, you have this. Now you go and click on plus message, and you have all the information here, also plus the text. Okay, now you should link this with this. Once you have linked it up, and go here to this person. Once you have done that, go to message from first name, this one, and drag this in over here. And in this query thing, you'll get in the message that you'll get something called text. Now just go ahead and save the changes. Go ahead and save the changes. Keep the model as whatever you want. I'm going to use my Llama 4 Maverick. Let's go and save. We'll go and run once. Try it again. I've messaged it HO, and let's see what happens. So we'll go to choices 1, message. Hello Lanuteke, happy to help you. It seems your query got cut off. You typed ho. Could you please complete your question so I can better understand and provide a helpful response? That means that we have set this up successfully. It can basically watch that, hey, this is his first name, this is his query, I want to mix them and create a reply for this. Clear? Now click on Telegram bot. Go to select that Telegram bot connection you just made earlier for the trigger. Okay, and now for the chat ID, you go from an ID. This is your ID, right? Now you close this off, and then guys, you just go to choices, message, and the content. Okay, this is done. Now you just click on save, and let's run this, guys. This is going to be so exciting because we have made a Telegram bot. It takes a lot of time if you need to do this from scratch, Python code and stuff, but you have really nice low code, nearly no code, actually fully no code. Just go and you run it once, right? You go and run it. Now there's nothing to worry about. Here you're just gonna go and write hello. Hello Anutike, welcome. It's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with, or you would like to just chat? This is so great. I can actually now chat with it. You can just do this immediately as data arrives, and actually now you can constantly chat with this. Okay, please make sure to press save here. So just click on auto align and click on save a few times. It is saved. Leave the page, nothing will happen. Plus you have made a Telegram bot. Once you have made this active, you can just keep chatting with it. No need to press that run once. And this was my tutorial, guys. I have made a Telegram bot, like ChatGPT in your Telegram, and you can show off to your friends that, hey, you can chat with this guy, he's a bot. So this was my tutorial, guys. Bye guys, see you next time. I hope you learned something from it, and peace.